I've got an old Smokey Joe here, and I heard about a great way to make this little guy into the best camping smoker you'll ever see. Supplies aren't too bad. You just got to find about a 32 quart tamale maker. I found mine at a local Super Saver market. You just throw it in here and you've got a pretty good smoker on your hands. Check it out. Take off the lid here. Give you a look at the old Dr. Cook Tamalera. The only way I can tell right here is the last two numbers there. You'll see 0032. It's a 32 quart tamale steamer. And it just so happens to fit right on there very well. If I take the grill that comes with the Smokey Joe and put it in here, it's pretty much a perfect fit. I'll throw a couple screws on the opposite sides of the nuts of the handles there, but it fits in if you're gentle. And the original lid, it's going to fit right on there, just like that. And you've got a lovely little smoker that you can throw in the back of your car, take camping with you. You can shove a, half a brisket. You're not going to fit a full one on here. Or a big side of pork. And you're going to be very happy at the end of the camping if you can get that going. A couple other things I'll probably add on here. We take this off. If you take a look at the Smokey Joe, it's got the vent right down here at the bottom. That's going to cause some trouble if you got a lot of cold going. People will add like a tuna fish can with some vents in the bottom there. And I'll do that just to make sure that it doesn't get plugged up. But otherwise, this is pretty good to go. I just sort of sawed this out with the Sawzall you see back there. My idea was this is basically how the Weber Smoky Mountain looks with the water pan in. And I'm thinking it's going to do alright just as is. Some people will throw a terracotta pot down there, put some water inside. I might do that if I have some trouble, but I kind of think this is going to be okay just how it is. Again, this is just for camping. It's not my competition smoker. Just want to make something happen when I'm out in the woods. So there it is. Just a couple modifications to go. And I've got myself a smoker for the road.